Cheesy chicken and bacon swirls are a fantastic spicy treat for any barbecue. Succulent chicken with crisp bacon will have you wanting more, and we're going to show you how it's done. So here's what you're going to need. 2 chicken breast fillets, 6 rashers of smoky bacon, 6 slices of American cheese, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of onion granules, and some of your favourite barbecue sauce. Start by adding all your dry ingredients to a bowl. Then whisk them all together until they're thoroughly combined. Then cut your chicken breasts into strips that are about a centimetre wide. Then add your chicken strips into the rub you made earlier. Give the strips a good mix around until everything's thoroughly coated. Once you're happy, pop that in the fridge for at least half an hour to let everything marinate. And whilst that's marinating, it's time to light the grill. After half an hour, your chicken should look something like this. So take a slice of your chicken and fold it round on itself until it creates a swirl. Then take a slice of bacon and wrap that around the outside. Then take a wooden skewer and push that through the parcel just to keep everything in place. Do that another 5 times and you should end up with something that looks like this. And once you're happy, it's time to go to the grill. So preheat your grill for indirect cooking, so you've got heat on one side, no heat on the other side. Then place your swirls on the indirect side of the grill. Pop your cover back on and let them cook for about 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, this is what they should look like. The chicken will have cooked and the bacon will have started to go crispy. Add some barbecue sauce to the top of each swirl. Then add your cheese to the top. We've folded the cheese over so it matches the size of the twirl, but you're still putting a full slice onto each one. Pop your cover back on and let that cook for another 5 minutes. And after that time, everything should be nicely melted and ready to take off the grill. You can either remove the sticks before serving or leave them on the sticks just for easy eating. And there you have it, succulent spicy chicken wrapped in crispy bacon with barbecue sauce and cheese. Who wouldn't want that? Well, if you've enjoyed this video, please give us a click on the like button, leave us a comment down below and subscribe for more great barbecue videos. Thanks for watching.